there's actually a crack right here. All right, welcome back. You can see I didn't clean up last time. Figure we're gonna cut some more out, so might as well just leave it and get it all at one time. I think tonight's video may be kind of short. I want to concentrate more on the brace, get the brace exposed, and try to drop this, drop that bracket out from underneath, and maybe cut a little bit more right by the transmission tunnel. I don't want to cut that lip out just yet. I know I'm probably gonna have to, but want to get it kind of straight. That way, when we put the pan in, we can make a good line across. And we might cut a portion of this pan out here, the top part where that piece is. Just cut it underneath that bracket, maybe. I'm not sure. But basically, yeah, we're just gonna do much cutting tonight, and hopefully we can get the brace exposed. We can take a better look at it, because right now it does look like it's kicked back, the bottom of it this way. So I'm wondering if maybe something hit it and it kind of turned it and twisted it and made that bump in right where the body mount bushing is. So we'll take a look at that as well. But yeah, mainly getting the brace all cleaned off and the bracket off, and maybe straighten up the cut lines by the transmission tunnel a little bit, and maybe try to take off that gas switch thing that's underneath here. But anyways, let's jump over there and get started. Mainly what I want to do is see if I can get these loose, take these off, clean this up so we can see where spot welds are, and maybe drill those out. I'm gonna come in here and cut this out just a little bit neater along the edge all the way up to there, and hopefully this whole thing will just come out. But I don't know if you can tell, but see how it looks. Looks like this bottom down here needs to go that way a little bit. Kind of like that. But we'll look at that when we get this off. So that's all I got planned tonight. May try to take this off so we can get this cut this week sometime. But yeah, it's mainly getting this area shaped up better. I think that's all I got in me tonight. Brace doesn't look half bad. It still a lot of metal there, cleans up pretty nice. Even the rusted pitted side. We'll get more of that next time. For some reason it wore me out just getting these done. But I'm gonna show you what I mean. How the brace looks. It does look kind of kicked in a little bit. And I don't know if you can see that any better, but there's actually a crack right here. Let me know if I need to get a new one of these. Don't really want to. I wonder if I can take the bushing out and maybe weld in, straighten this out and weld in a piece of metal right here. Kind of stiffen it up a little bit. Let me know your thoughts on that. I didn't realize that crack was there though. That's where it's bumped up the most. Anyways, I got a lot to clean up and a lot more work to do. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm sure I'm gonna get a new one. Probably the, emergency brake cable. We'll continue with the brace next time. Let me know your thoughts on that. Hammer down, piece of plate steel. Try to reinforce that so it doesn't do it again. Let me know your thoughts on that. And we'll keep on going. But brace does look nice. I mean, it'll clean up. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, we just messed with the front brace a little bit. Kind of concerned with the bump and the crack right by the body mount bushing. Let me know if my deal will work of hammering it down flat and then putting a piece of plate steel, welding it on that and around the hole, just kind of covering that whole area, trying to reinforce it a little bit. I really don't want to take the brace out if I don't have to. Next time we'll cut more of the pan out, hopefully have an idea on the brace. And we'll try to cut the upper portion of the pan, and then we'll get that rod out, get the emergency brake cable bracket off. Then we'll test fit our new pan in. We'll probably have to cut the outside flange off like we did the passenger side. Inner rocker will fit over it. Anyways, we'll test fit that. Anyways, thank you for watching if you made it this far. It does help the channel out tremendously. If you're new to the channel, working on a 71 Bronco. Like I said before, we got other cars to come in as soon as we get this one done. We'll get there. Hopefully we'll get this in about a month. Hopefully by July we'll have the driver's side done and it in etching primer with all the seams sealed with seam sealer. That's my goal at least. And we'll keep trucking on this. Got more cutting to do, fitting and cutting and then welding and just a bunch of fun stuff. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.